for the culture, where we talk about socially relevant things that we care about, that we want to talk about, that matter to us. And I originally had this particular thing for our pre show, which is our Snobbish show for our Patreon supporters. You can head on over to patreon.com/snobboyscast to get in on that exclusive content. But I moved it down to further culture because everything else in social media has been about that man that I refuse to spend any more time on because it's just ridiculous. So we have both talked about Marvel. We are both fans of the Marvel universe. And the latest offering from Marvel is Black Panther's Wakanda Forever, which is set to launch nationwide, international wide on November 11th. People are already excited, trying to get, their advance tickets, all those things. With that, of course, this is a blockbuster movie, huge stars, huge interests. And their red carpet event was last night, which was October 26th, which was a Wednesday, where they had the premiere screening. So all of the stars of the movie, all of your celebrities, you people know that I am a fan of Rihanna. She is doing the lead track off of the soundtrack. So she was there. Pretty
But I
much
heard,
anybody.
I haven't heard it, but I heard she's just like humming like a few lines or something like that.
Yeah, it doesn't come out until midnight, I guess tonight, which is Thursday.
Okay. So
Yeah.
we'll get to see whether or not it's a full song or she's just got somebody looped in her doing some sort of
I think
vocal
it's I think
something.
it's a I think it's a full song. I think the rumor was that she has two songs on the
Okay.
soundtrack.
All right.
So we'll see at midnight tonight. But so all the people were out there, the media frenzy behind it, all the stars, all the celebrities. If you're not a celebrity, you weren't there. I mean, if you were a celebrity, you were there. So I come on this to say how we've talked about before, how people can't wait to spoil something, to talk about something. The movie's out. A population of people have seen it. Several people that I follow on
When you
my
say
Twitter
it's
feed were
out,
there.
when you say it's out, you mean it premiered just for the people who
Yes,
were at the premiere.
correct.
Okay.
So that included celebrities, but also media types as well.
Mm-hmm.
Like I was saying, several people that I follow had those media passes and were at the movie. So my thing is, how do you plan on avoiding spoilers if you have a plan?
I don't. Um, I just kind of turn away, mute my TV or my phone or whatever I'm looking at the time. If a spoiler comes on, or if anybody's even talking about it, I kind of turn away. I need to. I haven't done this yet, but I need to take up the time to create some filters, I guess, for lack of a
Hmm.
better term, conversation
And
filters.
you got to misspell it too,
You
because
have to, okay,
people
because people will misspell it on purpose,
they
so
will
it gets
spell it
past the
on
filter.
purpose so to get past the filter, or
Okay,
people just can't type.
right, got you. Okay, so
So
yeah, maybe I'll do that. It hasn't come to that point yet. I did see some pictures and things from the premiere, but I haven't seen. It seems like the press, who you would think would leak information to get views and get hits, it appears that they are keeping tight-lipped about it because either they're under NDA or because they want to make sure that this is so special that they don't want to be the person that kind of messes up people's special when it comes to this show or this movie rather. What I will say though, you mentioned at the top, we are Marvel fans. I saw Black Adam last week. It is pretty good. It is pretty
hmm,
good. This is Dwayne the Rock Johnson playing the Black Adam character for DC universe, which is Superman, Batman, Joker, yada yada yada. That's a pretty good movie, and it's a little different than the traditional DC movies, with the exception of like what's that movie? What is the movie? I'm lost for words in DC. Suicide Squad. Good grief, I couldn't think
Okay.
of the name.
See,
Suicide
I'm not a
Squad
huge
was
DC
yeah,
person,
yeah,
so I
yeah.
don't really know a lot.
S-
Yeah.
s- yeah, Suicide Squad is a little bit even though it's equally as dark. The violence kind of ratchets up in Suicide Squad that you don't see in like the traditional Superman, Batman, Wonder Woman, because those are people I can't kill anybody, and my goal is to help people. Even Batman, as dark as he is, he can't kill people because he watched his parents die, and then Superman, he's a super guy, but he's all about justice.
The farmer saved his life when he was a baby,
Right,
so he can't
right,
kill
right,
people. Yeah.
right. Justice. Black Adam is not that dude. So without spoiling it, I'll just say, it's a little different than you going to watch a Batman and Superman. So all that to say, all around the world to say, you know, um, DC is doing a little bit to get people back into their camp when for the past 10, 15 years everybody's been all Marvel. So
Yeah.
just wanted to put that little tidbit in there, but all that to say, definitely looking forward to seeing Wakanda Forever. Still don't have any official plans. I think me and my wife will probably just go see it, together. We don't have any sort of big group plans or anything like that. Maybe we're not the fun bunch. I don't know. We're not the people that everybody calls like, oh, we got to get Terrance and his wife to come out because they're gonna be a whole lot of fun. Maybe I'm kind of realization I ain't those people. So maybe it'll just be me and my wife, and maybe my kids. We'll see.
My thing is, I'm probably going to try and get a early matinee ticket just so I can see it and enjoy it before people try and be a-holes and
Mm-hmm.
try to spoil it, and then go and do the official. Let me dress in my little outfit and
Mm-hmm.
go do dinner and do all the typical fun stuff. But I do follow a couple of people who started to talk about it. One person said, they need to process it and then they'd, talk about it. One guy, he was just full on in, and I only saw like a couple of lines. And when I saw what it was, I was like, you know what? Let me mute him. I muted her. So anybody who was there that, indicated they were there, I was like, let me mute them, because
Mm-hmm.
let us have the experience that you had of going in there not knowing anything and seeing all the wonder and the good and we know, that there's going to be something for Chadwick Boseman. We know there's going to be a new Black Panther, maybe based on, the stuff that we saw in the trailer.
Mm-hmm.
Let us have the same joy that you had when you got to go to the premiere. Just don't be an ass. Just don't spoil it.
So
You
have
had
you
your moment,
gotten
let us have ours.
so have you kind of mentioned, but have you gotten the indication that that's what people are trying to do, either purposely or accidentally by just mentioning something?
No, these things were purposefully, because they were like, yeah, I went to the premiere, and I think the one person that I saw the most from, he was like, this person was phenomenal, or did, starting to go into people's performances
Mm-hmm.
without saying anything, but it was a thread and it was like
Mm-hmm.
tweets back to back. So I don't know what else was said, but what
Can't
I saw
wait.
was,
Can't
it's just like,
wait.
it
Can't
just
wait to just be first. It just bothers
right.
me.
Just chill. Like, let me have my moment with this. You
But
got
I
to have
mean,
yours. And you got the
but
special privilege. Everybody doesn't get the special privilege. So let us regular folks have our time. And these people that I'm talking about, they're media people, but they're like kind of regular. They aren't like
mm-hmm.
celebrities or anything.
Mm-hmm.
They're known because they are, in the media space. They get to go to all of the events, like the what's the one for Marvel when Kevin and all of
Oh
the
yeah,
who, when
they
they
go.
do like the announce, yeah,
Yeah,
when Disney does this
right.
thing, Disney
Mm-hmm.
23 or D23, whatever it is, because one
Mm-hmm.
of the people that the person that did the most, he was at D23 as well. And
Mm-hmm.
so I was like, you know what, I already know what it is, because he was like, in it, like
Vomiting information.
it was just spewing out. And I was like,
Mm-hmm.
okay, let me try and find some of this stuff on my own. Don't just give it all to me. If I see some stuff, great. But you don't just have to just like thread it and just like do all the hashtags, just like do a line by line by line by line thing. So I was like, let me mute you. Like I said, the filters, I haven't kind of figured out all the configurations of how I'm going to misspell Wakanda to try and catch it. But it's one of those things where it's unfortunate at this point that you do have to take all these steps to like not see stuff before it
Well,
comes
we
because we
well,
still have a couple of weeks.
well we kind of did it to ourselves because Twitter is free, and because we gravitate towards people who typically do the most, and because they have realized that doing the most gets me into premieres like Black Panther and all these other free swag and free gifts and even sponsorships to go to some of these
Hmm.
events and things like that. It's
Right,
like we've built this recipe for attention via social media that I don't see us turning away from that anytime soon, unless again we have to pay for social media. When people start have to
right,
pay for social media, then we'll be a more selective about who we follow. We'll be more selective about what we talk about. We'll be more selective about these things. But since all these platforms are free, we're going to gravitate towards the people who give us everything because
yeah,
that's what we're accustomed to. And the people who have access to everything are typically the people that are going to give us everything. So we gravitate
right,
towards those people. So it's almost
yeah,
like chicken, which comes first, chicken or the egg? The people
yeah,
who give everything away or us wanting everything and then people seeing the recipe or the math and say, okay, well, if I give them all this, then X, Y, and Z. So, it's messed up. Don't again,
yeah,
the only way around is if we pay for it. If we pay for it, we'd
yeah.
be like, yeah, nah.
But we have close friends or circles now, whatever the thing is. Get into it, do it, add people to your circle who was at the premiere with you, and y'all can talk about it because I'm sure you want to talk about it because I'm
What
sure it was amazing. But
that is
make your
not going to
own
get
little
my
thing.
that's not going to get my Twitter account up. That's not going to get me the sponsorship, or that's not going to get me all the ads and the ad dollars. That's too much like the right thing to do.
I know, but people just being jerks. But yeah, so I'm still excited. I don't know if the tickets have gone on sale. I don't know. I haven't even looked.
They have, but
Okay.
I'm gonna do the same thing as you to where I'm not gonna be trying to get a ticket for a Friday or Saturday night at 8,
Yeah.
9, 10 o'clock. It's gonna be 12 o'clock on a Thursday,
Yeah.
right?
Right. Yeah. So I can at least get the info and enjoy it before, like I said, people just start spilling, and then go and do the official fun version where you wear the all white, you go get dinner before, and all that kind of stuff. So yeah. All right. That is going to wrap up for the culture.